What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Zacky the Codeaholic. I'm here back with another video, and today we got this problem called remove element. So I'm gonna read it to y'all. Given an integer array nums and an integer val, remove all occurrences of val and nums in place. The order of the elements may be changed. Then return the number of elements in nums which are not equal to val. Consider the number of elements in nums which are not equal to val, bk, to get accepted. You need to do the following things. Change the array num such that the first k elements of nums contain the elements which are not equal to val. The remaining of the elements nums are not important, as well as the size. So here we have this judge will be tested. Okay. So this is an example. 3, 2, 2, 3. We want to get rid of 3. Once you get rid of 3, it would only be 2. And the new array would be 2, 2, since you're getting rid of those. Same thing here. Getting rid of the 2, so it'd be 5. Okay. So thinking about this, we have to remove the elements in place. So that means we have to modify. That means that we have to modify the array. One thing's for sure is that we're going to have to go through this array. So I'm going to go ahead and set up our for loop. Okay. We're going to need a counter to keep track of the new length. Alright. So we'll do let counter equal to 0. So now that we have that, so first thing we're going to do is check to see if it's the same as value. We're going to return the counter. So here we're going to be like if nums.i, if it does not equal the value. So if nums.i does not equal the value, that means the counter would go up 1, right? But we would do that. I think we would do that after. So first we would have to set the new array, or not the new array, we would have to modify. So nums counter is going to be equal to nums.i, which is the current value. Meaning this first element, because the counter is at 0, will be the first element that is not a value, and then the counter will go up by 1. Now this should be the solution. So then let's say you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're going for 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0, you check to see if 1, let's say the value we're looking for is 3. It's not 3, so that 0, you're going to store number 1. Now it's going to move on to number 1. So then at the next index, you're going to store the next value, which would be number 2. And then the next one, you would see it does equal to the value, so you wouldn't do this. So that means you'd still be on the next element, thus meaning you wouldn't add or modify the nums array with that element, and the counter wouldn't go up. So you would skip that value and then change the next value, and you would keep doing this. Then you would return the counter, which would return the value of the new array. So if we submit this, yes, so we beat 100%. So yeah, this is a pretty good solution here. You know, talking about time complexity here, should be time complexity should be of n, because we iterate through the array once. So I mean, it should just be n. And then space complexity would also be of n. So O of n. So the time and space complexity would be big O of n. Big O of n. Because you're iterating through the array once, and then the space is once as well. It would be the same no matter what. So a couple things to note in this problem, some takeaways to note is you need to modify the array in place which means you cannot make a new array and return the new array. That means you have to modify the array. So we're reassigning values. So takeaways, reassigning values, and then skipping over values that are equal to the value that we're not looking for. Perfect. So this was number 27. It was an easy problem. I just needed to upload a video, and been kind of slacking, guys, but I'm about to get back on that grind, you know, trying to edit some shorts and stuff, but mainly did this to get a video out. It's an easy problem. I'm gonna just try to crack working on the next problem on the grind, 169. It's almost done with that video, and once that video is done, I should be able to release it. But if you guys want to see more production stuff like software development, please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, hit it down in the comments, let me know down below, and yeah, thanks for watching. Until next time, I'll see you next time.